Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Simple syrup has many uses, from making homemade soft drinks to sweetening iced tea to homemade cocktails. Without using simple syrup, you'd have to double, triple, or even quadruple a drink recipe to fill today's large glasses. You can buy bottles of prepared simple syrup, but you can make your own in minutes and omit the preservatives added to commercial brands. You can also significantly reduce the amount of calories by adjusting the amount of sugar based on how you're going to use your simple syrup. Traditional recipes call for 1 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water, or a ratio of 1:1. To make simple syrup for cocktails, for every 1 cup of water, add 2 to 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar. You can use white sugar, raw sugar, or any sugar substitute. Just keep in mind that using a sugar substitute will affect the flavor. You can also add flavorings like mint extract to your simple syrup. To make your simple syrup, add the sugar and water to your pan and stir while heating on medium to low heat. You don't have to bring the water to a boil. Just stir until the sugar has completely dissolved and you have a clear liquid. You can also heat the water in your microwave oven for 1 to 2 minutes on high and then stir in the sugar until dissolved. When the sugar has completely dissolved, cover the pan, allow it to cool to room temperature before using, or refrigerate. Since your simple syrup has no preservatives, use it within 4 days. Simple syrup made with 4 tablespoons of sugar per 1 cup of water has about 19 calories, 5 grams of carbohydrates, and 5 grams of sugar, or about 1 teaspoon of sugar per 2 tablespoon serving. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.